Welcome to demo of Feed Priority Chatter, an application that allows you to make chatter feeds more effective. Effectively monitor your numerous feeds. Prevents you from missing important feeds. Use aggregate function to make chatter feed more specific. Some unique features of this application are the Always on Top folder view and the Entity Aggregate view. The Always on Top feature lets you select specific contacts and documents from the ones which you are already following and then arrange them by their priority. The feeds from these selected entities appear on the feed priority dashboard in the sequence of their priority. With the folder view, you can group your feeds in a folder view. The Entity Aggregate view allows for a combination of feeds. This is an innovative feature where you can see the feeds of an entity aggregate that is formed by you. For example, if you want to follow the feeds by a user called Bill on the requirement document, then you can track an entity aggregate formed by you by adding the node Bill under the requirement document and then view the feeds. So let us get started. The documents and people which you are following come up in the list. Select the people whom you want to follow in a prioritized way. Click Always on Top page. You will see the Always on Top page selection. Order the items in the sequence in which you want the feeds to appear. These users will appear in your list of people you want to add in the folder view and entity aggregate view. You will be navigated to the feed priority dashboard. The default view is the Always on Top view. Observe the feeds. They are in the sequence in which you ordered them on the Feed Priority tab. On the top, you have a drop-down to select the view. Select the folder view. You can see the departments or groups in your organization. These can be made customizable. Right-click on the department, and add people whom you want to be under that group and track their feeds department-wise effectively. Now select the Entity Aggregate view from the drop-down list. All the documents you are following appear as nodes. It is a two-level structure. Add people to nodes to form entities. For example, if you want to follow the feeds by user /on document PC1NDA, then you can track an entity aggregate by adding node / under the document PC1NDA, and view the feeds. Entity aggregate is a combination of a document and an user. Go back to the Chatter tab. Hope you have enjoyed this demo. Your feedback will help us make this application better.